everybody, welcome back to my channel at Lovely Hesper. And today's video is going to be a simple and affordable back to school makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. To freshen up my face, I'm using Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Next, I'm using Baby Skin Stand Pore Eraser from Maybelline New York as my primer. To make my skin face glowing, I'm going to mix together using this mixer the Wet n Wild foundation on a shade of beige and Magic Lumi Light Infusing Primer from L'Oreal Paris. To blend the foundation on my face, I'm going to use this brush foundation from Milani. Moving on to my face, I'm using this beauty blender from Real Techniques so that the foundation will look even and smooth on my face. Now I'm concealing my under eye and T-zone using this Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline New York. And again, I'm using a beauty blender to blend the concealer in my face. Now I'm setting the areas using this loose powder from Maybelline New York. To filling up my eyebrows, I'm using eyebrow pencil from Etude house. Next, I'm brushing the setting powder using this base powder brush from Real Techniques. Now to give an extra, I'm using this Max Factor eyeshadow palette on the shade light brown as I crease on my eyes. So for my blush on, I'm using this NYX or NYX Lip Tint Cream. For contouring, I'm using Rimmel London by Kate. And for my lips, I'm using Dear Darling Tint from Etude house. I'm curling my eyelashes and applying mascara. And for the highlighter, I'm using Manizer from the Balm. Going back to my lips, I'm using Plumping Serum from Hard Candy to make my lips look volumizing, hydrating, and shiny. And last but not the least, I'm using setting spray from NYX Professional Makeup. And this is the complete look of my video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!